go down below the drum, the cam sticks out right there. Right now it's loose. And it should ideally match up with the cam follower or the roller. So from this perspective, the cam makes good contact here on the right side, but on the left side you can see how misaligned this is. In order to fix that, what I plan to do is to rebore these holes so they're in a line. So I need to take the left side and raise it to make that match. And I'll take a measurement here to figure out just how much I need to raise it in comparison to this hole. So I'm just going to take a quick measurement using feeler gauges and take that. That should work. Today's plan is to put the struts back on and get the rings reattached, and luckily they're all threaded, so that's things I can just put back together. But what I want to do is assemble the drums loosely. I want to use the word loosely because I'm not going to be trying to keep the tolerances tight, anything in alignment. I just want to get things put together to get a rough idea of where to put the tuning gauge posts, where to fix certain alignment issues that don't really have much to do with the struts. So I'm going to go ahead and get these back together. I'm starting with the 25. What I want to do with the struts is actually get things put together, find some used timpani heads, and the original hoop sizes are actually 31 and 28, which are pretty common sizes for like Ludwig timpani, for instance. And just put those directly over the ring instead of on the bowl. I just want to make sure that I get the rocker arm, the hanger arm, and the cam all where I need it to be. So total time to put this together after setting up everything, a little under 30 minutes. Estimated weight of just this part, easily 50, 60 pounds. Compared to about a year ago, our levers actually fall onto the plate for the pedal. You can see this one came over a full inch. New shafts for the pedals. New ratchets. Wheels. So I think my to-do list after this little storage shop visit will include finding a 31 and a 28-inch timpani head, removing the paint from the spiders just so it doesn't make a mess. Like all the other paint I've left on, it's not flaking off like that is. I mean, it's literally coming off like cornflakes. I hope that my editing can make some of this interesting. It's a lot of monotonous stuff up until the point where we start putting things together. So I appreciate those of you who've been watching and following along and supporting me through liking this video, subscribing to my channel, liking my stuff on Instagram and Facebook. I'm just enjoying this process. It's taking me more time than I had expected or wanted it to. I would like to get these done. I had hoped to have them done right about now, but we're nowhere near done. I would honestly not be surprised if this went on for another year or so. Now, if somebody were paying me to get this done, that's a different story. Nobody's paying me. This is all coming out of my own pocket. Again, that's why I appreciate my Amazon wishlist contributors. Thanks for following along. Hope you'll like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Maybe let me know what paint color you think I should go with, gold or red.